60 degrees here in Cleveland. Can you believe it? On January 11th. Hey, so with 60 degrees, what's better to do than do a couple of mods? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Route 59 Performance, and today I just want to do a real quick install. Probably the easiest mod you could probably do on your truck, other than maybe changing the antenna. It's the Ford Performance Raptor sill plates. I picked these up from Steeda for like 80 some odd bucks. But look at that, man. You want to walk over, check it out, see how to put them on? Super easy. Let's go check it out. I got my 2018 F-150, and I'll show you how easy this really is. Sorry about any choppiness on the camera. I'm trying to do this one-handed. I don't want to shut it off and miss out on anything. Anyway, I got these mats here. I'll just kind of scoot them out of the way. Get these out of here. Stand that up. And basically just grab this rocker right here. This sill plate. Just pull behind it. And it pops right out. Look at this. That's it. It's out. See that? Grab a new one. Slide that out. Line it up. And just make sure you got all your tabs off the old one, that you don't leave any in there just in case you come off the plastic. But literally just slide that over and snap it down. Look at that. Good to go. Peel the plastic off and voila. Look at that, man. That looks great. Anyway, hope you guys keep watching. Subscribe to the channel down below, and we'll put another one up here pretty soon. See you later.